Now we are going to see the adverbial adjunct. The adverbial adjunct is a function that is not necessary for the sentence to be grammatically correct. That is to say, we can omit the adverbial adjunct and the sentence is going to remain grammatical. That doesn't happen with complements. When you have a complement, the sentence either doesn't remain grammatical or the verb changes the meaning. So, for example, when we have the direct complement, the direct object, the victims know the truth, it is impossible to say just the victims know because we need some more information. And he told the right answer. We imagine that he told somebody the right answer. What we have here in the adverbial adjunct is a function that is not necessary for the sentence to be grammatically correct. That is to say, it is extranuclear. Let's look at it. We've got the subject, that is the function, noun phrase is the category, predicate is the function, verb phrase is the category. We've got all, that is a predeterminer. These are words that are before the determiners, like both, for example, or none. Then we've got a possessive determiner, head, that is the function, noun is the category. Will be is a verb group. Modal auxiliary made up of a modal auxiliary and the verb to be, that is a copulative verb. Present is a subjective complement. That is the function. Adjective is the category. All the wedding. So, all my family will be present at the wedding. At the wedding. If I said all my family will be present and the sentence finishes there, it would be absolutely grammatical and the verb doesn't change its meaning. So, at the wedding is an adverbial adjunct of place. I wrote it here, adverbial adjunct of place, prepositional phrase, where we have a head, that is the function, preposition, and the rest is the prepositional complement, that is the function, noun phrase is the category. This is a determiner, function, definite article, category. And wedding is the head, noun is the category. Let's look at another example. The wild mob attacked the Palace of Justice yesterday. The is the determiner, definite article, wild, function, pre-modifier, category, adjective, mob, function, head, category, noun, attacked is a monotransitive verb. And what did the mob attack? It attacked the Palace of Justice. When? Yesterday. So, this is a direct object, noun phrase. Direct object is the function, noun phrase is the category. The is the determiner, definite article. Palace is the head noun. Head should be in capital letters. Head noun. And of justice is a post-modifier prepositional phrase, which is made up of a head, noun phrase, and a preposition, a head, noun. And, noun. Okay. And then we've got the word yesterday. The word yesterday gives us information about time. So this is an adverbial adjunct of time. And the category is adverb because it is an adverb. If we have a case like here at the wedding, it is a prepositional phrase. That is the category. Now, let's look at adverbial adjuncts a little bit deeper. Let's look at other examples of adverbial adjuncts. The adverbial is a word, an adverb, a phrase, a clause that modifies, restricts, or adds to the meaning of a verb. An adverbial can be a noun phrase. An adverbial, they call it adverbial here, it is an adverbial adjunct, can be a noun phrase. We met that afternoon, a prepositional phrase, we met in the cafe, or a clause, we met because we needed to talk. as well as an adverb, but always functions to modify the meaning of a verb. The sentence can contain just one adverbial or several adverbials. So let's look at some examples here. We've got some examples here and there are some others here. Adverbial adjunct of time. Lucy woke up in the morning. This is the function. In the morning is adverbial adjunct of time, category, prepositional phrase. Lucy didn't wake up in her bedroom. This is adverbial adjunct of place, prepositional phrase. Frequency. Lucy sleeps 3 times a week. Sleeps out, 3 times a week. This is an adverbial adjunct of frequency, noun phrase. Manner. Adverbial adjunct of manner. Lucy got up slowly. Slowly is an adverbial adjunct of manner, category, adverb. Instrument. Lucy prepared coffee with the coffee machine. Adverbial adjunct of instrument, category, prepositional phrase. Agency. The coffee machine had been repaired by her boyfriend. By her boyfriend is an adverbial adjunct of agency, category, prepositional phrase. Adverbial adjunct of reason. Her boyfriend had repaired her coffee machine because it didn't work. Adverbial adjunct of reason, category, adverbial clause. As she loved coffee, Ron decided to repair the machine. As she loved coffee is adverbial adjunct of reason, category, adverbial clause. Concession. Although Lucy's boyfriend didn't like coffee, he repaired her coffee machine. Although Lucy's boyfriend didn't like coffee is an adverbial adjunct of concession, adverbial clause. Despite being in a hurry, she cleared up the table. Despite being in a hurry is an adverbial adjunct of concession, category, prepositional phrase. Purpose. Lucy turned on the computer to do her homework. Adverbial adjunct of purpose, category, infinitival clause. All right, and finally, we've got the relative position of adverbials. First, we are going to have, if we have many adverbials, MPT is the rule, yes, MPT, manner, place, time. So, manner, place, time, and also if you have purpose, purpose, and after that, reason. Well, this is the adverbial adjunct.